Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the text size or font size on your LibreOffice writer on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to change the font size in your LibreOffice writer, just going to show in this video. So if you are just making the sheet to the full size, you can see it's so small. So I just need to make it bigger. So first you just select the text or sentence, you just need to change the font, then click on the font near the point size, just right click here, or you can just click here, you can just change the font. So you can also make a custom number. For an example, I just need a 50 point, you just click this, it automatically changes. If you just need a 100 point, you can just keep it on the 100 points like this, it will be on the end page. Or right click here, you have a lot of other options like a character changing, paragraph changing, like that. So you just need to make changes on the font size. You just need to keep your eyes on the top of the bottom toolbar here. So this is how you just change the font size on your LibreOffice writer on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.